Today we're delving into Kikoff, a cutting-edge financial platform designed to empower individuals on their journey to financial stability. Kikoff is a comprehensive tool used to manage finances, build credit, and achieve financial goals effectively. Throughout this video, we'll be taking a look at Kikoff's main features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and industry alternatives. Let's take a look at Kikoff's main features. Credit building. Kikoff offers credit building tools such as credit monitoring and personalized credit building plans to help users establish and improve their credit scores. Budgeting tools. Manage finance effectively with Kikoff's budgeting tools, including expense tracking, goal setting, and personalized budget recommendations. Savings features. Save money effortlessly with Kikoff's automated savings features, such as roundup savings and recurring transfers, helping users to reach their savings goals faster. Financial education. Access a wealth of financial education resources and tutorials through Kikoff's platform, empowering users to make informed financial decisions. Credit monitoring. Stay informed about changes to your credit report with Kikoff's credit monitoring alerts, ensuring users are aware of any potential issues affecting their credit. Loan options. Explore loan options available through Kikoff, including personal loans and credit builder loans, providing users with access to credit when needed. Kikoff offers a transparent pricing structure with no hidden fees. Plans start at nothing, free, per month for basic features, with premium plans available at $9.99 per month, offering advanced features such as advanced credit monitoring and financial coaching. Experience the seamless user interface and intuitive navigation of Kikoff, designed to simplify financial management tasks and provide users with a stress-free experience. Kikoff offers comprehensive credit building tools, budgeting features, and savings options, all within an easy-to-use platform. However, some users may find the premium pricing plan slightly higher compared to other financial management tools, and additional features may require upgrading to a premium plan. Considering alternatives to Kikoff? Explore other financial management platforms such as Mint, YNAB, Personal Capital, and Credit Karma, each offering unique features and pricing structures to suit different financial needs. In conclusion, Kikoff emerges as a valuable tool for individuals seeking to take control of their finances and build a secure financial future. Sign up for Kikoff today to start your journey towards financial empowerment. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful tips and recommendations. Thank you for watching.